Today I'm going to show you how we converted this wall into a mirrored wall for $180. We purchased 14 by 14 mirrors from eBay. The more you buy, the cheaper it is. I just want to let you know that. They are 14 by 14 real mirrors, so they're not that material that bends, that warps. These are real. So the first thing that we did was not use what is provided within the contents. Those were just really thin, but because our walls have a textured surface, we wanted to make sure that they stuck well. So we used an industrial Velcro tape. First thing you want to do is make sure that you clean the walls well. Here I just put the Velcro together, and then I cut pieces off just because they're really large pieces and I wanted the best use out of it. So I placed them together just because they're so sticky and they just kept sticking all over the place and it was harder to cut. So I just stuck them together. And here's where I'll tell you, you'll want to make sure that that area is flat. When you press them together, just make sure that they're flat. And you'll see why at the end of the video. So I'll cut this in half and then I'll cut them into longer strips. Now, one end is easy to remove the protective layer, and the other side with the fuzzier side is just so much harder to get off. Oh, I finally got that one off. You're going to want to place one at the top, one at the bottom. I found a better method. I took a piece of the Velcro and I used the sticky part to actually stick onto the Velcro strips to remove the backing, the plastic layer, and that just made it so much easier. Here's the start to it. And this is the final product, y'all. We cannot be more than pleased. This is the goal that we had in mind, and we absolutely love how it turned out. Again, we purchased 10 boxes of the 14 by 14 mirror tiled squares, and that was from eBay. And just a reminder to let you know that the more boxes you buy, the cheaper it gets. If you purchase 2 boxes, it might run you $30, which are only 8 pieces. The more you purchase, the less it costs. And just to let you guys know, we purposely did not fill in all of the spaces on the wall. I wanted to give it a little dimension. I felt that it made it a little more modern. The one thing that I will tell you guys is with placing the Velcro strips, just to make sure that they're flat. You'll see some areas here where the mirror might look a little distorted, like the picture frame to the left-hand side. That is because there were wrinkles and lifts when I connected both sides of the Velcro together that made little wrinkles. So some of them aren't completely leveled, but we also haven't pushed all of the mirrors down completely and did a good cleaning. We haven't gotten to that part yet. But I did just want to show you the final product and let you know how amazing we feel like these tiles are. And there's a lot of people out there that did such great jobs with creating mirrored walls with, you know, Family Dollar full body mirrors. That's just not kind of the look that we had. We're brand new empty nesters, and we use this room to meditate and exercise, watch TV, and you know, this is our kind of man cave hangout room. Can't really call it a man cave though, right? Because he lets me in. We have our little Fibonacci here. Anybody who knows about Fibonacci, we automatically love you. We just love you. But yes, if this is something that you're looking to achieve, you can do this for under $200. But if you have a flat surfaced wall, I'm pretty sure you can get away with completing your project for around $150 by using the tabs that are included with the mirrors. That way it'll save you $25–30 of the cost of the Velcro strips. Well, that's it, guys. If you plan on doing this project, please take a video and share it with me. I'd love to see the outcome and how you feel about your project. I hope this helps. Namaste.